Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you a terminal trick so that you can search your command history a lot faster. So let's just get started. So let's say you're looking for a command that you typed like 3 days ago. So how you go about that? Well, one way of doing it is grepping the history, right? So you're looking for a particular ls command in this case. And that works, but let's make this a lot faster by using Ctrl R, so that's your reverse search, and then you type a portion of the command that you want, and then it will return the first result in history. And if you don't like that result, then you can just press it again, and it will go through the history and show you all the commands that you have typed. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it and you find it useful. If it is, just like and subscribe. And by the way, if you don't want to actually execute that command, then just press Ctrl C and you're good. Take care. Bye.